Get ready to level up your chess game. In this video, we're diving into the 5 best AI-powered smart chessboards of 2025. From robotic opponents to interactive features, these boards are changing the way we play. Whether you're a beginner or a grandmaster, you'll want to check these out. Number 1.
Ready to make your chess game smarter? 2 years ago, we presented Chestnut Air, a small electronic chessboard, which received massive support and positive reviews from backers all over the world. Now, we're back with Chestnut Evo, a human-like AI-powered chessboard. Chestnut Evo challenges players with a built-in human-like neural network chess engine called Maya Chess, which is designed by Microsoft. Of course, it's also equipped with Chestnut's robust piece recognition technology, with each piece having a built-in chip that enables it to be recognized, allowing you to better enhance your chess skills through Evo. And what's even more interesting is that you can import historical chess game records of famous chess players. Chestnut Evo can quickly train AIs that match the chess style and skill level of these players, making them your training partners. Besides that, Chestnut Evo has a training mode for beginners. They can continuously improve their skills by playing against AIs of different difficulty levels through various exciting challenge modes. The real-time analysis chart on the board and multicolored LEDs guide and assist them in their game training and analysis. This personalized training method will provide you with practical and effective ways to enhance your game. If you're gonna compete, this feature is perfect for you. You can simulate your opponent's tactics in advance, practice a lot, and win the game. Chestnut Evo will also have an open software ecosystem. You can download your favorite apps from the built-in marketplace or develop your own applications using our open SDK. In addition, we've integrated with LC0 platform, where you can download the latest and most exciting chess engines. Chestnut Evo's built-in NPU will make it possible to play on all online platforms using an e-board through image recognition technology. This is Chestnut Evo, a revolutionary human-like AI-powered chessboard.
Number 2.
There's chess, and there's magic. Introducing Go Chess, the most versatile, advanced, all you could ever want a chessboard to be kind of chessboard. Go Chess lets you play with people from afar, or against the AI, or on the app against this friend who can't wait with their killer move till you meet. The gameplay is the smoothest ever felt. The board includes sensors, cutting-edge technology, and tiny and honestly adorable robots that move beneath the board to create seamless simultaneous movement that makes every move not only the most responsive, but super rewarding. On top of that, we implemented the Go Chess Lite system, a system designed for you to hone your skills and become a pro. Let's say you got this grandpa who thinks he's king because he learned from this Russian guy named Spartakov or something. Well, you're learning too. We'll begin with the basics, and as you progress, so does your arsenal of moves. The lights change according to the usefulness of the move suggested. The higher your skill, the more advanced the suggestions, elevating you from expert to grandmaster. Who's Spartakov now, Grams? For an even deeper learning, you can analyze your games and track your progress, replay and watch previous games, as well as famous chess moves, and challenge yourself with prearranged chess puzzles. Go Chess will set it up for you. Now, make your move.
Rook to d7.
Go Chess connects to the leading chess platforms, so you can play against anyone, anywhere. Need a break? Pause the game. Go Chess will capture your board state and rearrange it when you're ready to go. As we ensure the tech is incredible, we also make real sure the pieces and boards surrounding it are a masterpiece in craftsmanship. Go Chess Lite is full-sized, slick, modern, and ultra-thin. Then there's the complete Go Chess experience. Smart, beautifully crafted, with the advanced features of self-moving pieces. GoChess is created by Particula. We already successfully crowdfunded and delivered GoCube and GoDice, award-winning projects that took timeless classics and reimagined them with a modern twist that makes them just so much more. GoChess is the best of all chess. A classic, majestic look combined with the most advanced technology to teach, elevate your game, and provide gameplay like never before. Some people call it smart, but it feels like magic. GoChess, the world's smartest chessboard.
Number 3.
This is chess. Chess is an experience. The excitement, the joy, the devastation, the undeniable drive to play again and again. Chess is an experience that's meant to be shared. What if you could experience chess in a completely new way? On a real chessboard, with the power of AI at your fingertips. This is ChessUp 2. Take everything you love about playing on chess.com and experience it on a real chessboard. Play a blitz match against a random online opponent. Conquer the bot you've been stuck on for months. Or challenge a friend halfway across the world. ChessUp 2 is always ready and always connected with built-in Wi-Fi. Never miss a move with full piece recognition. And review all your games right on chess.com. ChessUp 2 is more than a chessboard. It's a chess trainer. If you're new to chess, ChessUp will teach you. If you already know how to play, ChessUp will teach you how to really play. With patented AI assistance, you can balance a match between players of any skill level. Or hone your skills against one of the built-in AI coaches. The makers of ChessUp 2 are the same team behind the original ChessUp. The best-selling smart chessboard in the world. So whether you're a beginner who wants to learn and improve while you play, or a chess pro who wants to go deeper into the world of chess, experience ChessUp 2 and level up your game.
Number 4.
Hi, Chestnut. Set up the starting positions. Hi, Chestnut. Please import today's puzzle.
Number 5.
Introducing Phantom, the most advanced chessboard in the world. Beautifully crafted in natural wood, with the attention to detail that chess deserves. But what makes it extraordinary is inside. A precise mechanism and sensor array allows it to do things no other chessboard can. Like playing over the board against someone hundreds of miles away, or moving the pieces using only your voice.
Knight g4.
We bring you the infinite possibilities of online chess with the engaging experience of a physical set. To achieve that, we designed a sophisticated sensor array that detects the precise location of every piece, and a fast and silent mechanism capable of moving the pieces smoothly across the board. With a powerful processor, superior connectivity, and an open API, Phantom is also the smartest board ever. It allows you to play against any other human on Earth, remotely. It doesn't matter if they are using a smartphone, a computer, or another Phantom board. Their moves reflect in front of you instantly. You can learn with the Phantom Tutor, your personal trainer. It remembers your every move and gives you precise recommendations on how to improve. Or play against our human-like AI, which continuously adapts to your playing level, making every game more exciting than the one before, bringing out the grandmaster in you. Phantom is also a conversation piece like no other. The pieces move autonomously to become a sculpture that plays back the most famous games in history and allows you to relive those remarkable moments as if you were actually there. Phantom. It's a beautiful sculpture. It's the most advanced chessboard in the world, and it's bringing back all the little details that make chess.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting content.